This free tool lets you upres any AI video clip to 4K. Not only that, but you can also boost the frame rate up to 120 FPS, allowing you to create stunning slow motion effects without choppiness, which I'll show you how to do in just a bit. It's 2025 and 4K might soon become the new standard for videos, if it ain't already. Yet, many AI video generators like Runway and Halo are still stuck in 720p mode. While some of these platforms offer upscaling, they charge extra credits to make your videos 4K. But if you use vMake, you can get a similar quality upscale for free, and you don't even need to log in. This is the video I'm upscaling. It's 720p, generated by 2.1. Not bad for an open source tool, but let's see how much we can improve it with vMake. Just drop the video file onto the page, select your resolution, 4K in my case, wait for the processing to finish, then download the video. You can batch upload up to 3 videos at a time for free, and there's a 5-second limit per video, which is the common duration for AI clips anyway. If you're working with a 10-second clip, you'll need to split it into 2. Could you spot the difference? As cool as this tool is, I don't think it's on the same level as industry standard upscalers like Topaz. I noticed that in some cases, like this Pikachu scene, vMake's upscale doesn't seem to make much of a difference. No matter how closely I look, both versions look the same to me. I haven't tested this on a large 4K TV screen though. I also tried it with this Kling AI video of me, and while Kling already generates at 1080p, 4K is still 4 times that. I expected to see some noticeable improvements after upscale, but honestly, it's hard to tell. So, you'll just have to experiment and see what works. By the way, you can also use Project Starlight from Topaz, but it's limited to 3 clips per week. It's pretty high quality. Links in the description. Now, watch these Panda Warrior clips closely. Do you notice a difference? Guess which one was enhanced? That's right, the one on the right was increased to 60 FPS. This video was generated with 2.1, an open source AI video generator. Like many open source AI video tools, it produces a very low frame rate. The solution to that is a tool called FlowFrames. FlowFrames is most effective for low frame rate clips or high action scenes. First, download the software from the webpage. You know where to find the link. Click download now. You can donate if you want, but you can also download it for free by clicking here, then hitting the download button. Installation is straightforward, just keep clicking next until it's installed. Before finishing, uncheck this box so it doesn't launch immediately, then click next. I've been told that running it immediately after installation can cause errors, so now that we've closed it, we can launch FlowFrames properly. I'm just going to drag the Panda video here, and there you go. We can see that it's at 16 FPS, and right next to it is the multiplier option. If you multiply by 4, it becomes 64 FPS, which is great for high action scenes. In my case, I'll crank it up to 96 FPS. I've noticed that anything beyond 120 FPS either doesn't work or makes the video choppier. Not sure why that happens, but I keep it below that number anyway to avoid issues. Once you're ready, just click Interpolate. It usually takes a minute or less. Now, I want to show you something really cool I made. Actually, it's kind of stupid, but it highlights what you can do with vMake and FlowFrames. To get that cool slow-mo effect at the end, I use Premiere Pro, but any video editor will work. The easiest way is just to right-click the clip you want to slow down, click speed/duration, set it below 100%, then change the time interpolation to optical flow. But this makes the transition rough. If you want it smooth, we'll do it differently. I'm gonna Ctrl-Z to revert back. I'm just gonna adjust the interface, make things clearer for you. You're gonna right-click on the clip, go down to Show Clip Keyframes, and then Time Remapping, and then Speed. Now, we want to find the exact point where the slowdown starts. Hold Ctrl, click on that area, then drag down the part we want to slow down. Since this clip is 120 FPS, I'll drop it by 50%. That means it'll still be 60 FPS, so we won't lose any quality. You'll notice the clip duration increases, but to smoothen the transition further, just drag this keyframe marker. giving it a slight curve for that clean cinematic flow. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay updated on my latest AI tutorials, consider signing up for my newsletter. YouTube's algorithm doesn't always push my videos, but this way you'll never miss out on any AI filmmaking knowledge I share.